Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to deposit funds into your Interactive Brokers account. First, understand that funding your brokerage account is a crucial step to begin trading and investing. We will cover the various methods available, from electronic transfers to wire options, ensuring you can choose the best fit for your financial needs. This guide aims to make the process straightforward and easy to follow, helping you get started quickly. Interactive Brokers offers several popular ways to deposit funds. Wire transfers are a reliable option, typically taking 1 to 4 business days to process. ACH transfers, or automated clearinghouse, are also widely used, often clearing within 1 to 4 business days. You can also use online bill pay, which may take 1 to 6 business days depending on your bank. Remember to notify Interactive Brokers of your incoming deposit for faster processing. To initiate a deposit, first log in to your Interactive Brokers client portal. Navigate to the Transfer and Pay menu, then select Transfer Funds and make a deposit. You will then choose your desired currency and deposit method. Carefully enter all required details, such as the sending institution and amount. Submitting this notification helps Interactive Brokers match your funds to your account efficiently upon arrival. When depositing, always ensure the name on your bank account precisely matches your Interactive Brokers account name to avoid delays. For most individual cash accounts, there is no minimum deposit requirement, making it accessible for many investors. While Interactive Brokers generally does not charge deposit fees, your sending bank might. Always review any potential fees from your bank and confirm processing times, which can range from 1 to 7 business days, depending on the method.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.